Good morning.
Good morning, sir.
Yeah, can you introduce yourself?
Yeah, I am Merly Tejada Padual. I'm 43 years old. I am married and I have two children. One is 16-year-old and the other one is 13-year-old. We are 10 in the family. I have 5 sisters and 4 brothers, and I am the eldest in the family. I am a graduate of Bachelor of Elementary Education, and I have teaching experience for 8 years. I have experience working in Saudi Arabia for 4 years, and I am taking care of 5-year-old grandson of a king. But I also did the ironing and washing the clothes and the cleaning. I have also 6 years experience in Taiwan, taking care of grandmother who is 86 years old and the children who are 2-year-old and 10 years old.
Okay, good. You have to work in Taiwan for 6 years.
Yes, sir.
What Chinese food you can cook?
I can cook. For the soups, I know how to cook imitang, the corn soup, hai tai tang, the swan latang, the
How about the food?
the food. I know how to cook. I cannot say the name because I forget the menu of that. But if my boss will give me the ingredients, I know how to cook.
Okay, in Taiwan, do you need to do the marketing?
Yes, sir.
Okay. Before you go to sleep, what you need to do?
I have to check everything first. First, in the kitchen, I have to situate that the gas stove is turned off and the main switch of the gas. I have to check the windows. I have to check the doors if everybody is in. I have to check the lock. Then I have to check the grandmother, change her diaper, and also the kids. I have to see to it that I prepare their blankets and their pillows and everything, their pajamas, and everything is settled. And the 2-year-old, I have to see to it that I already prepared the bottles, the feeding bottles, and the milk.
Okay, can you speak Mandarin?
I can speak Mandarin
Fluently?
No, not fluently, but I understand and can speak it.
Okay, because you stayed there for 6 years. So in the family, you speak Mandarin or you speak English?
We speak English, but if I can communicate with the grandmother, I speak sometimes their local language and sometimes Mandarin.
Okay, how you took care of the bedridden grandmother?
My grandmother is taking her food at the side in her stomach. So in the morning, I have to clean. When I woke up, I have to see to it first. The grandmother, I have to clean her, give her, clean her body. I have to clean the stomach where the hose is connecting. I have to change her diaper, change her clothes, give her food. The milk first, and then at lunchtime I have to blend her food, and blended food I give her, and during the night time I give her milk again, and sometimes not sometimes but all the time during feeding I have to also give the medicine.
Oh, okay, so you needed to take care of the children?
After Amma died, the responsibility for the children, I took care of it. So I have to take care of these 2 children, the 2-year-old and the 10 years old one.
Okay, what are the most important things to take care of the children?
For me, the most important thing to take care of them is their safety first, and then their hygiene. I have to see to it that they always clean their hands, wash their hands from time to time to avoid getting virus from outside. I have to give them bath every evening.
Okay. If your employee they are not at home and the child gets sick, what will you do?
So I have to check the temperature of the child first. I have to check, and then I have to inform my employer, call her and inform her that her kids is sick.
Okay, if the two children they are fighting in the house, what will you do?
I have to stop them, separate them, and after that keep them busy, play with them. And
Okay, how can you maintain their good relationship with your employer?
to maintain good relationship with my employer is I have to show them that good works. I have to show them good works and then respect them. I see to it that my job is well done.
How can you gain the trust from your employer?
So the trust from my employer, how can I gain that is I have to show to them that I am trustworthy. I have to return, if I saw the money from their pockets or everywhere, I have to return them.
That's right. Okay. Are you afraid of the dog and cats?
No, I am not afraid of them.
Okay. Do you mind your day off will not be on Sunday?
I don't mind it.
It's okay, right?
It's okay for me.
Okay, good. Thank you.